Welcome to our video. Today, I want to talk about a topic that many of us may be experiencing right now, feeling overwhelmed and unproductive in our work lives. With the recent layoffs and job cuts happening in the tech industry, it's easy to feel like our own jobs are on the line. And often, when companies do make cuts, they blame it on employees' productivity levels. But what exactly is productivity? Is it just about completing tasks quickly, or is there more to it? According to Wall Street and company CFOs, productivity is measured by the total output divided by total input, which includes labor. If a company's revenue and profit drop below expectations, especially after a hiring spree, productivity appears low. On the other hand, individuals often think of productivity in relation to their own workflow. How quickly can they complete tasks on their to-do list? What hacks can they use to improve their personal productivity, like the Pomodoro technique or Zero Inbox? However, the definition of productivity goes beyond just completing tasks quickly. It's about the ability to generate, create, improve, or bring forth goods and services. Unfortunately, many employees spend a significant amount of their time on non-value-add activities that are work-about-work, such as communicating about work, searching for information, and managing shifting priorities. In fact, employees spend an average of 60% of their time on such activities. This work-about-work is a bug in the system that cuts into the time employees could be spending on generating skilled or strategic work. If we reduce the time spent on work-about-work, we can immediately improve our productivity equation. So, how can we reduce our work-about-work and increase our productivity? Here are 3 practical ways. First, conduct a meeting audit to reduce unnecessary work communication. Review all the meetings you and your team have held over the past few weeks and note which ones were needed and how you could change the cadence, length, or attendees to reduce the meeting's burden. Then, experiment with these changes in the upcoming weeks. Second, do some spring cleaning to make it easier to search for information. Clean up your knowledge base, whether it's your computer desktop or project management tool, and make sure everything is in the right place with a clear owner. Consider scheduling a cleaning day quarterly to stay on top of this. Lastly, use templates to reclaim time spent chasing status updates or recreating the wheel. If there are tasks that you repeat week after week, create a plug-and-play template for them. Spending the time upfront to templatize can save you and your team time and energy down the road. Remember, productivity is not just about completing tasks quickly. It's about generating, creating, improving, and bringing forth goods and services. By reducing our work-about-work, we can increase our productivity and achieve better results. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.